Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to rotate image in Google Docs. So first we need to insert here a new image. So I go to Insert tab, I go to Image Settings and I select here Upload from the computer. Then I need to select image which I want to upload. So for example, I click on this one image and I click Open button. After that it will be successfully inserted to our document. So we can select this image, I click on it, and when you will scroll down, you will see here more options. You need to click on this one icon with 3 dots, there are image options, so I click on it, and then we need to select this option size and rotation. Now we will be able to change rotation angle, so if you will increase this value, your image will be successfully rotated. For example, I will type here maybe 70 value angle, and how you see, it really works. So in this way you can rotate image in Google Docs. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in the comment if it's solved your problem.